Hey y'all, today we are making out of this world marry me shrimp and smoked Gouda grits, and I promise you y'all gonna love this.
Come on in, y'all, because today we are making something that is going to make everybody at your table say, out of this world. We starting with our prosciutto, lay it flat and let it crisp. 2 minutes in a dry skillet, give that pan a little kiss. Set it to the side now, baby, keep that flavor in the pan. We about to build something special, better than you ever planned. Bring your broth and water to a boil, whisk those grits in nice and slow. Stir them every single minute, watch that creaminess grow. Out of this world tonight. Smoke Gouda melting in those grits. Honey, everything feels right. Out of this world with every single bite. Wendy's heavenly dishes, baby. Making everything feel right. Now shred that smoked Gouda, not the bag but fresh today. Stir it into those hot grits now. Let it melt and let it stay. Add your butter, black pepper, garlic powder, just a pinch. Cover up that pot now, baby. This grit game is a cinch. Now heat that oil in your skillet, where the prosciutto just was. Season shrimp with smoked paprika, give those babies all your love. Sear them 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they glow pink and golden, just like heaven. Now pull them out and let them go. Add your garlic, 30 seconds, sun-dried tomatoes going next. Pour that cream and Calabrian chili, preserve a lemon for effect. Out of this world tonight. Smoke Gouda melting in those grits. Honey, everything feels right. Out of this world with every single bite. Wendy's heavenly dishes, baby. Now let that sauce simmer down. Watch it turn that deep, gorgeous orange color. Stir in your parmesan, let it get silky and smooth. Now bring those shrimp back home, right back into that sauce. Toss them gently, baby. Let every single shrimp get coated. 1 minute, just 1 minute, and those flavors are all the way in there. Now spoon those smoky Gouda grits into your bowl with love. Ladle all that marry me sauce generously from above. Crumble crispy prosciutto all across the top. Now drizzle that hot honey. Do not let that drizzle stop. Yeah. 3 drops of white truffle oil. Watch the magic happen now. Fresh basil and flaky sea salt. You know exactly how. grits. Honey, everything feels right. Out of this world with every single bite. Wendy's heavenly dishes, baby. Making everything feel right. Hot honey drizzling down. Truffle oil kissing the top. Prosciutto crumbling like a crown. This is Wendy's heavenly dishes, y'all. And we thank God for every single out of this world bite.